Hey babes, it's me, Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, back again to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you like what I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and then tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload. So your girl got a little PR in the mail, honey. Yes, the folks at Glamedic reached out to me and asked me would I like to try their lashes. Do they know me? Do they know I am lips, lashes, and luxury? Oh yeah. So if you want to see what they sent me, stay right here. Brown Girl Bella. Okay, first and foremost, let's get the obvious out the way. Yes, I took down my twist, and here is my hair. I got a little hang time still going on. So luckily, nothing happened with the braids because, I did them myself, so I was a little worried. Anyhow, the folks over at Glamedic reached out to me and asked me would I like to try their lashes. Now, all of you know, when it came to magnetic lashes, I didn't have the best of luck. But I am confident that the folks at Glamedic have me covered. So let me show you what they sent to me. So I pulled everything out that they sent over to me, and I'm going to start with the lashes. So they asked me to pick out some lashes from their list, and the first one that I got is this baby right here. This is called Virgo. So here are the Virgo lashes. Oh my god, these are adorable. They are so cute. What I love about these lashes is that they include anchors to really hold your lashes in, and they also include not one, not two, not even three, but 6 magnets in order for you to make sure that the lashes hold. So I'm really excited about that, and you can use the lashes with or without the anchors. So that's the first one I got, which was Virgo. And then of course you can't have a Virgo lash without the Vixen lash. Every year for my birthday I do 2 looks. One is the Virgo, pure, demure, and then one, the Vixen, which I really think our symbol represents. So here are the Vixen lashes. And again, same anchors, same magnets, really, really pretty. And then the last pair of lashes that I picked up, which are the ones that I'm going to wear today with my look. So you'll see these in action a little later on. Pixie. These are the ones that I'm going to wear today. And now they even have half lashes. So if you want to try some of their half lashes, you can now go on their website and try that as well. So love that. So I have these 3, Virgo, Vixen, and Pixie. But that's not all they sent me. I also have their Glamedic pen, and this is for the lash application. I'm going to show you what the pen looks like. And it has a felt tip for precision and accuracy. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this. So you'll see the whole look after I finish putting my makeup on, and my eyeshadow and all that good stuff, then we'll go back to the lashes and you'll see me apply them for the very first time. I didn't even, as you can see, I didn't even try them on. I didn't do anything. I wanted you to see them in real time as I'm putting them on. So stay tuned for that. All right, now let's get these lashes on. I can't wait. So starting with the pen, I'm going to line the eye. And because I'm not used to these eyes yet, I'm going to do it very slow and one at a time. Use it without the anchors. Let me soften up the lash a little bit. Let me just do a little something like this. Oh, and the Pixie has a little bit of pink in it too. So that's very cute. All right. And lay it down. Oh wow. Let me use my mascara brush. No product on it. To just marry my lashes together. Wow. All right, I'm excited. Let's do the other eye. I am really surprised how quick and easy it was to put on these lashes, how effortless it was. The felt tip really glided across the eye. There was no dragging, no pulling. The magnet stayed on, and like I'm pulling on my lashes, it is not coming off. How great is that? All right, let's finish off the rest of the face and then I'll be back with my final comments about the lashes. All right, babes, here is the completed look using NARS Claudette eye palette and introducing one of the newest lashes to my lash collection. This is the Glammetic Pixie lash that I have on. So I would be remiss if I didn't tell you that Glammetic did give me a code to pass on to you all. It is 15% off and the code is Brown Girl Bella 15 off. So use it today. Brown Girl Bella 15 off. It'll be down in the description box below. Hope you have a great time shopping for your lashes. So what I love most about the Glammetic lashes is that it is female owned. I love that. More power to all of us girls. And I just have to read to you what she sent to me, which I thought was so sweet. Says, thank you for supporting a female founded small business. We can't wait for you to try our products. She started Glammetic almost 2 years ago and she never imagined that the brand would be where it is today. She grew up in Thailand and the students had strict rules not to have long nails or even long hair. When she was 7, she immigrated with her mom to California to find better opportunities. And despite everything and having to deal with bullies, she found an amazing sense of self-confidence when she wore false eyelashes for the first time, and she was hooked. So we have a similar experience in that. When I first tried on lashes myself, I was blown away by how it instantly transformed my look. And you don't have to have it, be really big and heavy. And as a matter of fact, if you do wear the larger, heavier lashes, it actually detracts from the rest of your overall look. So bigger may be better, but not in the case of lashes. And I love that she shares this aesthetic as well. I have 3 of their lashes that she was so kind enough to send me from her team. And again, I am ecstatic to be wearing the Pixie lashes right now. They are fantastic. And I thank you so very much to Anne and her team at Glamedic for entrusting me to speak about your brand. Don't forget, babes, I have a 15% off coupon for you. It is down in the description box below. Happy shopping, and until next time, you have now been bellified.